So today we are at a special location, 16 Lake Hollingsworth Drive. So across the street from me, you can see beautiful homes. Florida Southern College is right back here and winds around. But we're not just near Lake Hollingsworth. We're not just close to Lake Hollingsworth or across the street. We are on Lake Hollingsworth. Yes, this home sits on the lake right behind me. You're gonna get to see some amazing views. Now this home needs some TLC, know it, going into it. But let's take a look at this one-of-a-kind, rare find on Lake Hollingsworth. Let's go take a look. Okay, so I'm excited to give you this detailed walkthrough. Again, 16 Lake Hollingsworth Drive. This is literally sits on Lake Hollingsworth. Across the street, I'm a little out of breath. I just walked up the hill here. Florida Southern College is right across the street. And as you can see, it's a great walking, jogging trail. You do not see these come up that often, that are literally right on the lake. This is a great, very popular spot. 33803 zip code. Central Lakeland, Lake Morton is just a hop, skip, and a jump going north. So it's got a circular drive, so you can come on in. Because again, it is a busy road here. But it's a great place to live and to do life. So this is a little bit of a fixture up, just so you know. I'm going to give you a kind of a detailed tour of this, and with some TLC, some elbow grease, as they say, this home could really be something. All right, so you can see all the original stucco here. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. This home is under $1 million. Again, because it needs work. The location, the lot is amazing. So let's give you an idea of this home. Now take a look at the wood floors, the high ceilings with the beautiful wood. Floors are really nice. You can see the bedrooms are upstairs, but I want to walk you down here. If you are a visionary, if you you're creative, you can get some ideas. This home has got endless possibilities. You can see the wood floors are really pretty. They're original. It's like they've been finished at some point. All right, so the kitchen is located right here, and I want to take you out this way. Show you again this big, expansive space, all sliding glass doors, overlooking the water. Take this carpet out here, put some new flooring, some wood flooring or LVP, but this is all windows, overlooking the lake. You can do some painting, new lighting, and this view is spectacular. Now, the wood deck needs to totally be ripped out and replaced. But you can see this is right on the lake. And to give you an idea as far as Lake Hollingsworth, again, 33803 zip code, 803 zip code. It's a great area. This lake is a little under 3 miles running the whole thing. And it's heavily walked, heavily ran all the time. It's quite a spectacle in Lakeland. Really, a lot of things happen around Lake Hollingsworth. It's beautiful. Lake Morton is just north of it. Connects with a couple streets on Success and some other roads. But if you look, there's only a handful of homes that are literally on the lake, and they only go down just here a little ways and come around, and I'm about the last one on the lake. The rest of the homes that are on Lake Hollingsworth, for example, are across the street on the lake, but some of them will have land deeded access. So if you want to put a boat dock or what have you, you can do that also. Not many of them have, but you are deeded a little bit of land. So most of the properties, again, are across the street on the lake. They have the nice view. This is on the lake, okay? I think you get the point. All right, so let's go take a look at the home. Needs a lot of work, but man, with some TLC, with some visionary, with some dreams and a good set of blueprints, this could be absolutely phenomenal. The floors are still really pretty. Original wood, they have polished them at some point. And this is nice and open. This is the kitchen area, this way. Again, I would just obviously put in a new kitchen. You can make this larger. There's an island here. This is, by the way, for some reason, I don't think I hit the light in here, but this is the water heater, air conditioning, laundry sink. There's a bathroom there. But let's head upstairs where some more amazing views are. You can see again these ceilings, really pretty. And then upstairs, let's go right to this bedroom, which is gonna be your primary suite, your master bedroom. Nice size master bedroom. And then this is above. So again, come out here and see, get that nice view from up here. Heading back here. This is the primary bathroom and bedroom. Walk-in closet. Back in the day, how about it? This is Formica countertops, double sinks, ceramic tile. Your toilet is in here, and then this has got a tub shower combination. Okay. Circling back around. The other bedroom is directly next door. All of them have this view. Pretty crazy. Sliding glass door. Your closet is tucked away to the left. But again, same view, same flooring. Put some paint, put some carpet, fix. Looks like you got a little roof leak there. Here's your other full bath. Tub shower combination. Linen closet, and then this bedroom. Good size. They've even added a little shelving here, cabinetry I should say, to put, you can make it an office, another walk-in closet with the same view right here. Now there's some additional space in this home, which is outside. So just so you know, but for the sake of this tour, to keep it on the shorter side, I'm not gonna show you, I'll show you where it's located and give you some ideas. I'm gonna take you around back. This is, this area right here is gonna be used just really a side deck. There's some storage here and then just some space here, really just all slab. Here is some additional living space over here, okay? And so, but what I wanna do is peel back around to the outside to show you the location in the side yard and some possibilities too. So, I've already showed you the circular drive. Great school, go Moccasins, Florida Southern College. But let's go down to show you a good idea of the side of the home and the water itself. So walking down this way, you see there's no neighbor to the left of you. So I believe Florida Southern College has some of that property over to the left, but would need to confirm that. They've done a great job at growing the Lake Hollingsworth area. Wonderful school, one of our major universities here. Go Moccasins, that's where I went to school, so I'm kind of partial to them, but we've got Southeastern University. We've got Polytech, we have Polk State, so we've got some really nice schools. Here's the view. And again, you can just imagine putting a new deck on there, doing some work to the house. It's you can have some spotlights out there. I'm sure at night it was really, really pretty. So you got to imagine the possibilities with this. But right on the lake, fantastic location. And if you have any other questions, would like to see it, contact myself or my business partner, Russ Rhodes. Would love to show it to you. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Thank you so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel and watching this video. Do me a favor, if you would like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, that would be amazing. Even hit the notification button. Whenever I drop more videos, you'll get notified and you can see more walkthrough videos of like this beautiful home in this area. And we've got a whole bunch of them coming up in 2025. They're gonna blow your mind, so get ready.